videos in a long time. And it's because of a lot of different reasons. It was a rough summer. I had a health scare, a cancer scare. Everything's okay. Then we had a scare with Seamus and his heart. He's okay. The heat kind of did us in. We didn't get much done around the homestead. But we do have things to show, and we will. I'll be making videos of all the things that Scott's accomplished over the summer. And we've got a lot of stuff coming up in the next weeks too. We do have running water. Scott set up a water catchment system with the IBC tank, and so we have running water coming into the house. We have to finish up the plumbing and get the on-demand water heater hooked up, and that's what's coming up next. And then we'll have running water in the bathroom and in the kitchen, which I'm really looking forward to. But it's been nice just having a water source. Scott made up a Berkey filter system, so we're filtering our rainwater or boiling it, and for drinking water and cooking and stuff. So that's been working out really well, and it's nice not having to go out every week to buy water. So that has been awesome. What else is going on?
Working on finishing our porch, getting it finished off before winter, so it's more living space. So
yeah, it's got electric on it now.
Yeah.
We'll have a porch light.
And I got it insulated, got electrical running. Now I just got to machine up the interior wood paneling that I'm going to be putting in it. So, and wood paneling that's going inside the house too.
Yeah, I moved my craft space. Sorry guys. Moved all my craft stuff into the Winnebago for now. So we can finish up our bedroom, and it's just much nicer not being so crowded and smashed in there.
Oh, yeah.
But
and I made up an old bed frame for the bed.
yeah.
Yeah, regular bed frame now.
Yeah, our bed's no longer on the floor. I have found that I don't tend to want to leave the house to go work in the Winnebago, so I'm trying to just do things inside the house for now. But I've got a big sewing session coming soon, so I guess I'll have to go out there. But let's see what else. What else?
Well, got the back part of the property all cleared. Got it cut recently. So that's just another step in the process of getting that area usable for next spring. So
For gardens.
yeah, gardens and animals and all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah. And we've decided we're going to expand the porch all the way over to the end of the house. That'll probably be something we work on over the winter. And eventually my craft space will be in there, and another living area for the family. Let's see, I got a lot of canning done this summer.
Yeah. About 500 pounds of tomatoes.
Yeah. One of our Amish neighbors gave me 15 bushels of tomatoes. So I got a lot of that canned, sold a lot for them. My friends came and bought some, and we made some money for them, and so that was cool. And then just other things like peaches and corn, and actually we've almost eaten up all the corn.
Yeah.
And then Anna just gave me a bushel of pears, so I'm going to be canning up those.
Oh, they just gave us some fresh cider too.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been doing a lot with our Amish neighbors, and it's mostly been one family. It's a big family.
Yeah.
But
they're all relatives anyway.
yeah, so we've been driving them to, or taking them to doctor's appointments and doing shopping for them. So we've really made some good friends with them, and they've blessed us with a lot of stuff over the summer. So very grateful for that. I'm sorry I did not video any of the canning. It was so hot. It was all I could do just to get through it, because of course the week that I had to do the tomatoes was like the hottest week of the summer, and it was miserable, so I just was not in a videoing mood. But I'll show you my pantry. I've actually sold some of my cans, jars of stuff too. What else? I've been watching a lot of videos from Heidi over at Rain Country, and I've been learning how to ferment vegetables and make my own vinegars, and I got a lot of stuff going on with that. And we're gonna start learning more about herbal remedies and stuff, and start incorporating that into our life more. And I'm going to start drawing out a plan for an herb garden next spring that's going to go up front, and then all the vegetable gardens will be in the back. Our dog Raven died, so that was very sad. Yeah, she was 14 years old. She was sick, and it was her time. So we are currently without a dog, and I've been really wanting to get another dog.
Surprisingly, you've been wanting to get another dog already.
I am a cat person, but I really it was hard because she was sick, and it was difficult because she was incontinent, and we were just always cleaning up after her, and her fur was falling out, so everything was a mess all the time. And I thought, oh gosh, I don't want to have to deal with this again. But I tell myself this was because she was old and she was sick, and I kind of miss having a dog just to alert us when there's people around too. I've been reading a lot on our local Facebook pages about break-ins in the area. Luckily, it's been on the other side of town, but
other areas.
It kind of makes me nervous, and I kind of want a dog, so maybe we'll be looking into that. All the cats are doing good. They've all come back into the house. We've just been living day to day. Nothing really exciting going on to video, but stuff that's exciting to us maybe, but I don't know. It's hard to say. I've been busy crocheting orders for people. I had seen a picture of a shawl made with skulls that somebody had posted for, you know, the Halloween season. And when I shared that on my Facebook page, all my friends were like, oh, can you make that? Can you make that? So I've been making a lot of orders of that shawl, and then I got an order for a blanket made with that pattern, so I've been busy crocheting my fingers off. And that's, I mean, just life, just kind of boring everyday stuff. So we will get back to making videos now that we'll have stuff to show. And the difficult summer, I mean, it was just very emotional all summer with all the health issues and the dog and the heat.
Yeah,
that was the worst. But very happy and excited that fall is here, and I'm looking forward to getting some of the finishes done on the inside of the house so I can start decorating, making it look more like a home. And that's it. So right now we're heading up to Ashland. Got to do some shopping for Susie. She has church next week, so she needs a bunch of stuff for feeding people. And that's what's happening in our world right now. So thank you to all of you who have messaged us to make sure that we're doing okay. And I am sorry that we haven't made any videos in a while. I don't know, I get into this, oh, we're so boring, why would anybody want to watch us? But then I watch videos of people doing the same things we're doing, so I don't know, maybe somebody would like to watch us. So it's just about getting back into the habit of doing it again. So we will, and I'll have, you know, now that fall's here and I'm cooking in the kitchen again and baking and stuff, I'll have some more videos of that. And oh, and I'll show off my Crafty Bago space, and I'll probably start doing some crafty videos too. So if you have any thing in particular that you'd like to see us do, leave a message down in the comments below. Thank you again to all of you who have expressed concern about our whereabouts, and thank you to all our new subscribers. We look forward to getting to know you as well, and just thank you.
Yep.
It's very, very, very wonderful to know that, you know, our videos,
people are interested in what we're doing.
Yeah, and people care, and that really warms our hearts. So I will get back into the making of videos, and we'll have some more stuff coming up. So thank you, everybody. Love you. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, and we'll get more stuff coming up. And if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, and we will talk to you soon. Bye bye.